Hey, to turn on or off the Hey Google on the Realme Note 50, first of all, you will have to just open App Drawer and find Google application. Then click on the three dots in the right upper corner and click on the settings. Then scroll down, move to the Google Assistant. Now you have to go for the Hey Google and the voice match. And now if you want to turn it off, you have to just click on the switcher and make this switcher gray. But if you want to activate it, you have to just click here. And now in my case, I already add my voice, but I'm gonna delete and show you step by step. So there we go. Now we have to scroll down, click I agree. And now we'll get this circle and we have to repeat some phrases like four or five times. It will be like, hey Google, okay Google, or what is the weather tomorrow? And after the Google Assistant recognizes your voice, you will be set up. So in my case, it's already set up because I just used this account, but if you are set it up for the first time, you will have to actually say it. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.